Recently, a bee swarm had visited CHS and made it their home. The problem with that was that students were bothering the bees and vice versa. It seemed the only solution was to dispose of the bees. Luckily, they were saved and taken to a better environment where they could live freely. While the bees might have a reputation of being a nuisance to humans, there was always a reason for their actions.
People have a perception that bees will sting them because they will sting to protect themselves. But if a bee lands on you, the best thing you can do is not swat at it, because then it's a defense mechanism and it will sting you.
We collected the bees from Carlsbad High School to try to relocate them to a better home. Unfortunately, a day after they arrived, we discovered that they were suffering the effects of pesticide.
It may have seemed that this small amount of bees was unneeded, but their deaths led to a larger problem.
So the problem that we have today is we have something that started in 2006 called colony collapse disorder. And it's where entire hives of bees die for unexplained reasons. Whatever it is, we have several hundred, probably thousands of colonies of bees dying every year. And so we need more people to keep bees to help replenish them.
We may not realize how vital bees are to our society until they're gone.
If we didn't have any bees, our food dynamic would change a lot. So any food that we're used to eating right now that requires pollination, oranges, avocados, blueberries, they'd all be gone. They'd disappear. We'd have to try to figure out a way to artificially pollinate trees. And we've had no success in avocados. And so I think it would be the same for other crops. So our whole food ecosystem would change.
So Carlsbad, if you see a bee in your future, think before you swat. Haley Bantley,
And we're running.
CHSTV.